Welcome to Awario Q&A sessions. We have some new questions from you, so let's get to it. Awario dashboard displays analytics for mentions, alerts, and influencer stats. It includes filters toolbar, widgets, and the insights panel. Being updated in real time, it is fully interactive, which allows you to get to a single mention or a mention feed by clicking the graphs. The set of widgets on the dashboard cannot be changed, but the customization is available in the reports. By deleting or changing the order of the widgets, you can set up the view of your reports the way you like it most. The Insights feature allows you to quickly identify the reason behind the start change and spikes. The insights are displayed on the time series charts of the reach, sentiment, and mentions widgets. The Insights panel is located on the top right corner of the dashboard. Thanks for watching this. If you have any questions about Awario, leave them in the comments below. Do not forget to subscribe. See ya!